So now I'm going to layer the cake now. You've seen the preparing of the acrylic rings with the OHP sheet inside, right? So if you have an acrylic ring to the size of the cake that you're going to do, then that way is pretty much straightforward. Now say suppose you do not have the acrylic ring in the size of the cake that you're making, like maybe we could be making bigger cakes, and what if we can't find the rings to the size of the pan? So you could layer, line the cake pan itself, the same cake pan from which you had baked the sponges. So this is an 8-inch sponge, and what I have done to just make it easy for me to lift the cake, it's been lined with a cling wrap at the bottom. Okay, so there's cling wrap at the bottom, and then this part remains the same, which is using the OHP sheet around. So the layering will be done, and obviously the wall is not enough in the cake pan, but that doesn't matter. This still works out quite fine, which is using the OHP sheet itself to the height you think you will need as you're layering the sponges. Okay, so this is the prepared cake pan for layering.